The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra 5G is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most ambitious foldable flagships yet, expected to debut in summer 2026, likely around July, at Samsung's Unpacked event, with pre-orders and general availability following shortly after. At its core, the device is rumored to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with high-capacity RAM and fast storage to deliver flagship-level performance for multitasking, gaming, and productivity. Design improvements are expected to include larger foldable displays with a significantly reduced crease, enhancing both durability and visual immersion, alongside the return of S Pen support to boost productivity. Camera capabilities are also anticipated to see major upgrades, led by a 200MP primary sensor complemented by improved ultra-wide and telephoto lenses for better versatility and zoom performance. A larger around 5,000 mAh battery with fast-wired and wireless charging should help meet the power demands of the dual-display form factor. On the software side, the phone is expected to run the latest One UI, optimized for foldables with enhanced multitasking features and deeper Galaxy AI integration, positioning the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra 5G as a true premium device designed for power users and professionals.